Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here let's scroll down to the security. As you can see in the device security section, which is the second section, on the first position we've got SIM card lock, so let's tap. And here we've got change SIM pin. Right now we have to enter the pin which we've got currently set, so let me do it and tap on the stick icon in the, let's say, right upper corner, and right now we can enter new one, so just let me enter something and tap on the tick icon again. As you can see, we have to retype it, so let me do it, tick, and as you can see, we've got the information that the SIM pin has been changed successfully, which means that from now on, if you will restart your device with the SIM card inserted, your device will require the new pin which you've just set. So basically that's all. This is how to change the SIM pin in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.